good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. Hope you're having a good day. We're going to do our weekly stream here. Take a look at the market, see what we can gather, what to expect for the week. Jumping right in, we have Ethereum here. It's been a few weeks since I've hosted the stream, but just to kind of wrap up the ideas that we've been looking at, we had the range breakout happened. And now we've come up to these levels that we were looking for. So with that said, I've been taking profits, just kind of scaling out of the position. I don't want to be entirely out, but I do want to have the ability to add lower. If we come down to 1350, somewhere in that area, I'd be a happy buyer. If we keep going up, I still have some of the position, so I'm happy either way. But yeah, kind of sticking to the plan here. These were the levels that I was looking at, so I am booking profits, sort of across the board on all my positions. But with that said, we certainly could have some more upside. I'd be looking at these prior highs, somewhere around 1780, somewhere around 2K, as potential targets as well. Right now we're using these highs as our targets. Right now we're at this one. We've peaked above it, but we haven't really gotten price acceptance above it. So I wouldn't say we've beat this level yet. If we can hold above here and kind of continue, then yeah, I think there's a good chance we go to 1780, somewhere in that area. If that happens, then we've got some pretty good positive structure. I think there's a good chance if you come up here, maybe you come down, make a higher low, break it again, and eventually get up to 2K. So basically, if we hit this next target, I think the likelihood of the target after getting hit increases. So that'll be a good start, a good way to determine momentum for sure. And then looking at Bitcoin, same thing over here. You're getting this consolidation. I don't know if it's distribution, consolidation before another leg up. So I'm just playing it safe. As I said, reducing positions and being ready for whatever comes next. If we come down, I'm able to buy. If we go up more, I'm able to take profits higher and lock in more gains. Basically, my main focus right now is just being nimble, being ready for either situation there. And stock market, not too much going on today with the stock market. I get a little bit of a dip. It's getting bought back up. 0.5%. There's no real serious moves going on here. Nice to see that Ethereum is green on the day, or crypto as a whole is green on the day, regardless. Despite the stock market being down a little bit. Positive to see that. We want to be sort of paying attention to whether or not we're leading, lagging, and just know, sort of give us an idea of whether there's strength in the market, or if we're just getting dragged up by the stock market, or if we're able to sort of decouple and lead the rallies. Would be a very positive sign. So, but structurally they look very similar. So I wouldn't consider ETH really, or crypto, leading so much. We're kind of in the same spot as the stock market, where we had a swing high, swing low. We're kind of trying to get out of this swing low and potentially move up from here. But yeah, very similar situation across the board. So I think we're pretty much just tracking. ETH BTC, let's have a look at that. Try to get an idea. All right. Let's just clean this up a bit. Sorry, this is not a chart that I look at often. Okay, so we're coming in basically into this range area we've been in. we came down into the range lows, consolidated, bounced out of it, which you can see just by following. If you're following the market closely, you'll notice that ETH's been leading a little bit here and there, but it is a give and take. Positive structure right here, so I think there's a chance Ethereum could continue to lead or be stronger than Bitcoin. I wouldn't really expect this to go down. I mean, we could come into this range low again, but I think 0.06 or 0.066 is sort of a solid floor for the time being. Subject to change, but that's just my thoughts. I've always leaned towards altcoins. It's just my mindset, I guess. But I do think we have the structure here for ETH to continue to lead. No, not too much else to look at. MC we looked at last time. I forget exactly what the price was. I think we were somewhere around here, 28. So obviously nice gains on MC. It does seem like that was potentially the bottom. So I'm happy with that. As I said, 3 weeks ago I did add to this position. So I'm happy to see those gains there as well. RDPX, sort of a new position for me. Looking to sort of DCA into this depending on what it does. But we've been buying in this 48 to 50 area and continuing to buy down to like 42, somewhere in there. And if we make a lower low compared to this 39 low, then we'll just look to get out and reassess, come back to it another time. I don't think there's too much else going on. I'll be in the stream. We can talk, see what else everyone else is looking at, and look at some other coins. But thanks. Have a good day. Bye.